Today I visited the beautiful Fenor bog in County Waterford. This is actually a fen, which is a special type of wetland habitat. It is warm today, but there is also a light rain. Because of the rain, it is really easy to see the cobwebs on the gorse and other shrubs. I can even see some spiders on some of the webs. As I look down beside the boardwalk, I can see lots of different types of wildflowers. As it is early autumn, the blackberries are beginning to ripen. And the thistles are in flower. These purple flowers are a food source for the many insects of the fen. In fact, everywhere I look, I can see small creatures feeding on the many wildflowers that are here. And here we have a beautiful hoverfly feeding on a scabious. I also saw many butterflies on my walk. Here is a speckled wood. My walk today was really interesting because I got to see lots of plants that only grow in wet habitats. The more I use my nature journal, the better I get at really looking at nature when I go for a walk. Because I saw so much on my walk today, I am going to do my journal entry like a diary entry. I'll begin with the date, and then I'll write about some of the things I saw. I will also write a few sentences to describe the weather on my walk today, and I will add some simple illustrations. Because I love to draw, I will add some more drawings to my journal entry. Now I have a lovely journal entry to remember my walk in Fenor Bog.